I'm Tom Ballier with Car Aligner Company. When we get into the blueprinting process, we want to quickly be able to grab a few underbody dimensions as well as anything on the upper body that we can have access to. In addition to getting those figures, we are also able to quickly diagnose suspension points. So if I can put this in here, I can drag this out. So we can quickly grab a suspension measurement here off the ball joint and compare it to the other side to check suspension component damage. Also, I can check subframe mounting points and other different positions on the front end of the car for diagnosis. So in addition to using PointX for our blueprinting and diagnostics of a vehicle, we can also use it in the repair process. We know a lot of you guys are missing out on measuring the side of the vehicle, so when we can have a quick, easy tool like this, when that door is just not fitting right or that quarter is just not fitting up quite right, we can quickly step in with something like this, measure that door opening any way we need to, length or width or height, get those dimensions in. Also, we're not necessarily going to be using all of these dimensions comparatively. With the Car Aligner's database, we have hard data for these dimensions. With vehicles of today being built with asymmetrical type body construction, can't always rely on a comparative type measuring system to get those accurate numbers. For more information on PointX and other Car Aligner products, visit caraligner.com to find your local distributor.